Sizemore's RV Museum, and I'm going to show you the 1970 Avion truck camper, which is pretty much the last one that Avion made. They did make trailers and other things too, and I always thought it was an Airstream product, but I guess Avion was actually came before Airstream for the silver rounded streamlined shape. As for who was actually manufacturing first, I kind of think it might have been Airstream, but this was just another company doing that kind of thing. It's a pretty big camper, but I can't find any weight numbers on it, so I'm not sure about that. What I do remember is back in the day when I was a kid and we traveled all over with a truck camper, and 5 of us, and it was not near as big as this. So when I go in here, I think this is pretty spacious and cool. So let's go inside and check it out. Come on in. Hi. Come on in. This is what it's like going into a camper. You'll notice you got to walk through this little main hallway to get into the main living area, but come on. What I love about these campers is there's a ton of seating all the way around the table. This particular camper has a huge kitchen. If my mother had been able to cook for us 3 girls and my dad in this kitchen, she would have been so happy. It's got a huge amount of countertop, a 3-burner stove, an oven, and then upper storage and lower storage. All of us would have sat around here and played a game of some sort. Mom and Dad would have slept up here, which is a pretty big, spacious bed. And in this particular camper, there's a lot of headroom. So this setup here would make down into a bed. That would probably fit 2 anyways. Sometimes my sisters slept down here. And then up there, in our camper was a fold down bed, and I would sleep up there, which is a mighty tiny little shallow space, but that's where I would go. My sisters would be down here and my mom and dad would be up here, and we would all fit in here, and I thought it was fun. So this here is the old style furnace that heated this, and I remember my dad having to go outside and light things and that sort of thing. And then there's some more storage here, and this is the fridge. Check out the lock system. Pretty cool fridge. And then what's super interesting is in our camper, this is where it ended. The tailgate would still be able to close up and keep the camper in the box. So this is where it ended. So this is a luxury camper compared to what we have, because it has the bathroom. Check this out. Boy, what we would have given to have a bathroom. I think my parents probably would have liked it if we had a bathroom too. But, you know, we just used everything that was at the RV parks that we went to, and it was fine. Okay. There's also some really good storage because you have this extra piece here. That's our tour of the Avion truck camper, and as you can see, it's just a small space that's super functional, and I'm sure a lot of families enjoyed their truck camper as much as we did on all of our trips. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll show you more of what we've found.